Today I'm reviewing something that has been sitting quietly on my shelf for a few months now, yet it has sparked quite a buzz in the skincare world. Dr. Althea's 345 Relief Cream. This calming cream is often recommended for people with sensitive, reactive, or compromised skin, especially those struggling with damaged barrier or irritation. But does it really live up to the hype? I finally used this product and today I'm going to share my experience with you. I'll discuss its ingredients, texture, my experience, and yes, why some people report getting breakouts after using it. And later in this video, I'll share one small but very important step that I added to my skincare routine while using this cream, something I haven't seen anyone else mention. So let the quest begin. First off, this Dr. Althea's 345 Relief Cream has a pretty creative name. The 345 in the name stands for 3 ingredients for blemish care, 4 ingredients for nourishing care, and 5 ingredients for soothing care this cream claims to contain. It's marketed as a multifunctional moisturizer with those with inflamed skin, weakened skin barrier, post-treatment irritation, sensitive skin with acne-prone tendencies. So from its marketing, it's clear that this cream has been formulated with the intention to be nourishing, repairing, and healing. Let's talk about what's inside this beige label jar. Firstly, it has 4 calming botanicals: Central Asiatic extract, Gardenia florida fruit extract, Cotonia coated extract, and lavender flower extract. Secondly, hyaluronic acid. These work at different molecular sizes to hydrate deeply and retain water throughout the layers of the skin. Thirdly, barrier repairing ingredients including ceramides, panthenol, and beta-glucan, all focused on restoring and maintaining the lipid barrier. So overall, a very impressive ingredient list. Now let's talk about the formulation. At first, I thought this cream would have a heavy texture like the La Roche-Posay Chica Plus Balm, but it was nothing like that. It's actually formulated to cater to most skin types and make it suitable for even oily and acne-prone skin. That's why the texture is lightweight and gets absorbed nicely into the skin. It's hydrating enough to help with dry, flaky, or dehydrated skin too. But if you have very dry skin or live in a colder climate, you might need to pair it with another moisturizing cream. I'll explain that in more detail later. That said, you can always adjust how much or how many layers you are applying depending on your skin type and the weather of the year. Here's the tricky part. While this cream is often recommended for people with sensitive and acne-prone skin, it has caused breakouts for some users. Why? Because no one product will suit everyone in the world. First of all, if your skin cannot tolerate niacinamide, this cream will most likely not suit you. And plant extracts can be pretty tricky, and a lot of people might find them irritating to their skin. So yes, this cream is not universally safe for everyone. And the relief it promises depends on your skin condition and other products that you're using with this. I used it consistently for 3 weeks during a time when my skin was going through a sensitivity phase, after sun exposure and a bit of overexfoliation. What I noticed, redness and tightness decreased significantly. My barrier felt more resilient within a week. No major breakouts, but I avoided layering it over exfoliating acids. I used it mostly at night. But particularly on dry and windy days, this was the only thing that prevented my skin from flaking. Now, I have a very crucial piece of information to share with you. I made one small but important change to my skincare routine. Something I haven't seen anyone else mention in their reviews or videos about this cream. I actually use this moisturizer before my regular moisturizer. Why? Because as I mentioned earlier, and as it's mentioned in its website as well, this cream has a very lightweight texture. That's because it's made to suit oily and acne-prone skin too. So naturally, it's not heavy or greasy. But for someone like me who has dry skin, especially in colder months, it's not enough moisturizing on its own. So I use this as a step before my main moisturizer. I applied it, waited a few minutes to let it absorb, and then followed up with my regular moisturizer. And this isn't something I randomly came up with. If you check their website, they also say it can be used as your final or semi-final step in your skincare routine. So I treated it as a semi-final step to my skincare routine because my skin needed another extra moisturizing layer. And when you're repairing your skin barrier, dryness is the last thing you want. You need enough moisture to support healing. I truly believe this little adjustment made a big difference for my skin. And maybe, just maybe, this is the step that a lot of people are missing out on. Final verdict. If your skin is stressed, dry or dehydrated, post-peel, sunburned, or sensitized, this cream could be your skin's comforting blanket. But if your skin is oily, acne-prone, or comedown-prone, you might want to taste a sample first and of course patch test on the sides of your face before applying it on your full face. This isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a purposeful recovery cream, best used as part of a skin cycling routine or during barrier repair phases. Would I repurchase this? Yes, for my winter and sensitive skin emergencies. Would I use it every day in summer? Probably not, especially when my skin is healthy and doing okay. Now, have any of you used this cream? Let me know your experience in the comment section below. And as always, hydrate and repair and don't skip sunscreen. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and don't forget to love the skin you're in. This is Sarah Deba signing off today from Deba's Quest.